country. Absolutely.
Okutongoza ihuriro yo kuri sente aha mwanya muke obwe barukuzihereza ebyokurya ombiju kwakorwa aha famu ya government eyambazadi omururu harumbarara ahi minister yakwatanisa n'ebitongole bya government hamwe n'abarisa.
And Honorable Minister, this is intended to serve as a nucleus for breeding, so that the people in this sub-region and the rest of the country are able to get improved stock.
For sure. I'm happy you're listening to what I told you. Yes.
Famu ya government eji ekatandika omu mwaka gwa 1926 obwo abarisa barikwegeraho okubakurisa gye amatungo gabo konko bwahati government eresire ente ezirukamwa amate mingi ezibarahereza abarisa hamwe no kubegesa obukugu.
The animals we have seen here, Honorable Minister, they're just a handful. From these animals, we are going to design a breeding program and be able to get what we call well-adapted animals to our environment.
Its major focus will include research and innovation, which is generating scientific knowledge and technologies to improve milk yield, animal health, and product quality.
Omwanya ogwo gubatongoza nka the Center of Excellence in Semi-Intensive Dairy System kandi aba bahiga gavumenti okubashagikana billion 50 okubasa kutungura ebyoburisa omu Uganda.
Honorable Minister, we invite you and request you humbly and on our knees that let there be a center of excellence we have at this center for training and skilling people in this country. For the next 5 years, for this center, we are making a humble prayer of 50 billion at a rate of 10 billion per year to be able to actualize this.
But the 40 clusters, four tractors got damaged, but we still have the tractors. But like hay balers, it is still a challenge. The chaff cutters and other equipment that can put our feeds for storage, we still have that challenge.
Partly now this is your work, but it's also the work of the ministry and the Greek. We must work together to ensure the breeding policy of the country is clear, and we should also have a clear law. We should license private sector breeders to complement what we are doing here.
Minister Frank Tumwebaze yahumuriza abarisa ko ekitongole kya Naro cyahereze kutunga omubazi gwengoha.
The physical take and then perhaps in a few months the head of state will launch the actual production for commercial rollout.
Burengero izoba nerugwamu obuchweka 40 aharigana bw'amate ekyaririze gavumenti okutongoza omwanya ogu okwongera kushomesa abarisa okwetororo mu ihanga lyona. Nde Michael Tumwachire abwa TV West agacenchwiri.